Welcome to this tutorial about the Ionic framework. First of all, we're going to see how to install Ionic. Ionic apps are created and developed primarily through the Ionic command line utility, the CLI, and use Cordova to build deploy as a native app. This means we need to install a few utilities to get developing. We're going to get Node and NPM. Most of the tooling in the CLI is based on Node and is managed through NPM. The quickest way to get Node and NPM installed on your machine is through the Node.js installer, but be sure to install the LTS version of Node. Close any terminal command prompt you may have opened, run the installer, and launch a new terminal window to verify you have everything installed correctly. You can run npm versions and Node versions. If there is errors, please resolve before moving on. So let's just try to install Node first of all. To do apt-get install Node.js. Okay, Node.js. 4 megabyte, yes. It is installing. I just wrote the command sudo apt-get install node.js. I got 24.8 megabyte of additional disk space will be used to install this. It's gonna take a few seconds. All right, now let me check and see the versions of Node that I have on my machine right now. Okay, see, if you get this version 8.10, that means you're good to go. Next, we're gonna install npm with the same command, apt-get install npm. 141 megabyte, yes. Remember, most of the tooling in the CLI is based on Node and is managed through npm. The quickest way to get Node and npm installed on your machine is through the Node.js installer. Be sure to install the LTS version of Node, close any terminals command prompts you may have opened, run the installer, and launch a new terminal window. To verify you have everything installed correctly, you can run npm version, Node version. If these errors, please resolve before moving on. All right, now I have done installing npm. I'm gonna check which version of npm I have. npm dash version 3.5.2. So there's no errors, we can move on. With not an npm setup, let's install the Ionic and Cordova CLI. For this, I'm gonna write the command npm install Ionic Cordova. We wait a moment, it's gonna take a while to have all the dependencies installed. So you're gonna need to run the command npm install Ionic Cordova as root, otherwise you will get an error of permission denied when trying to access some system folders. Note that the G in the command means this is a global install. So for Windows, you'll need to open an admin command prompt. For Mac Linux, you might need to run the command with sudo. Once that's done, create your first Ionic app. And to do this, We're just gonna have to Ionic start. Hello world blank. Try Ionic 4. No. This tutorial is for Ionic 3. Done. Now the new application has been created. To run our app, we're gonna have to cd into the directory we just created. And once we're there, we just type the command ionic serve. There you have it. Your Ionic app is now started at localhost port 8100. See you in the next video where we're gonna learn the basics, some more basic information about Ionic and the Ionic project. Thank you for following this tutorial. Bye bye.